Hey everyone, Jacob here with MarineMax of Savannah, and today I get the opportunity to show you a 2026 Boston Whaler 330 Vantage. I'm going to go do a quick rundown. This boat comes with a ton of options, a ton of features. It's very well equipped for a great day out on the water with the family and plenty of guests. So I'll start up here on the bow. You'll see they've put this nice convenient swim ladder right up here. You've got your windlass with the windlass controls right here. You also have windlass controls at the helm and a freshwater washdown right here to clean up that anchor road once you get it back in. So I'll close this, start making our way through the boat. Right up here in the bow, you've got a bunch of seating. Both of these have armrests. You'll also notice Boston Whaler went with the upgraded upholstery on this one. And you have the JL Audio head unit, so you can control the speakers from right there. All right, making our way back, you'll notice that we have this big glass enclosure, big windshield with a this piece of glass right here will open up to get fresh air into the cabin if you're wanting to close this right here, maybe due to weather or what have you. They've got a great size head unit in here. Everything is plumbed. This is also where your battery switches are and your air conditioning control. Coming over here to the helm, you've got this large SIMRAD right here on the dash. Boston Whaler did a great job with setting up all of their controls right in line, right at your fingertips. You've got your bow thruster control right here. You've got your radio. You've got your volume control for your stereo. We've got the trim tabs on this model, of course, and we've got the Mercury Marine DTS controls right there with the joystick. You'll see the joystick is actually keeping us in place right now as we film this video. Switching to the port side of the boat over here, we've got a really nice seating configuration that is also, that will lay down also into a sunbed as well. So very comfortable, very easy. You can get plenty of people on there. That might be good for the kids and everyone else. Coming over here, you've got another great seat right here with lots of storage right under here. And then coming to the back of the boat here, something I want to show you that doesn't come with all of the Vantages, but this one does have it, is this summer kitchen right here, which is wonderful for any sort of food prep you want to do, any sort of cooking. We've got the grill right here, so really nice feature on this vessel. We've got a live well right here, plenty of space back here so you can fish off the back. And then you've also got a fridge right here, very easy. Okay, and then making our way to the transom, we've got the twin Mercury 400 V10s on this. On our way here, we actually just did 50 miles per hour and we had a great time. You'll also notice it's got the electric steering, huge advantage. This is a fantastic boat. We're excited for you to see it. Please come and visit us at MarineMax of Savannah. Thanks.